Welcome to the Letterheads, Templates, and Forms training in MasterCare Plus. These tools allow you to customize documents with your organization's branding and structure and help streamline communication with clients, general practitioners, and teams, ensuring clarity and efficiency across all interactions. Let's start with Letterheads. Go to the Letterhead section in the admin configuration. You will then see the list of all active letterheads. Click on Add Letterhead. Give it a title and assign it to the appropriate team. Note that different teams can have their own letterheads and can be added to any document, which may include your logo, address, and other key details. You can also include dynamic content like the current date and time. Here's an example inserting an image or a logo. You can adjust the size, format, as well as the alignment. You can also include any static information relevant to your document. If you have multiple services or locations, each one can maintain a unique visual identity. You can also use bookmarks to pre-populate key fields such as team name and team address. Once done, click Save and Exit. Next, we'll move to templates. Templates are reusable content blocks used across various communication points throughout the system. These include clinical documentation like progress notes and case notes, as well as administrative and automated communications such as referral acceptance letters, password reset emails, user welcome messages, and more. To create a template, click Add Template, name it and assign the template to a category. This determines where in the system it can be used and what the format will be. You can choose whether or not to include a letterhead. Then, assign the template to the appropriate team. Once your basic settings are complete, you can start building the template content using bookmarks to dynamically insert details like the client identifier, current alerts, and other relevant data, helping to ensure consistency across records, minimize errors, and significantly reduce the need for manual entry. Once done, click Save and Exit. Now let's proceed to forms. These are the digital documents that appear in the clinical documents section, which may be shared, edited, or deactivated. To start, click Add Form, select where to apply to. You can either use existing forms, modifying them to suit your needs, or create a new one from scratch, giving you full control over the structure. Pick what format to use, then click Create and Add Name. The system can map to PDF form, and you may opt to use a letterhead. On the form builder, you will see different key fields that include basic elements like text boxes, checkboxes, or more advanced elements which you can easily drag and drop, such as title and client name, with different actions to toggle from Save, Edit, Move, Edit JSON, or Remove. Clicking on Edit will help modify the display settings. Data settings. Apply validations ensuring that data is entered correctly. API. Use conditional rules to display or hide fields based on responses. Logic and layout. The form builder also supports more complex design elements that you can choose from, which includes different associated pre-built forms, test and results. Under the advanced field options, you can use drawing pads into your forms or templates, which are especially useful in clinical consultations, allowing providers to sketch diagrams such as injury locations or treatment plans or capture client signatures directly within the system for documentation and consent purposes. Additionally, layout controls can be used to create structured multi-column forms or divide content into organized sections using tabs. If needed, you can even add data fields for collecting multiple sets of related data, such as a list of medications or contacts. There's a lot of flexibility here, and the best way to get comfortable with it is to experiment, play around with the options and test how they behave in the live system. Once you've saved and published your form, it will be available for your team to use in client records under the Clinical Documents section. And that's how you build and manage letterheads, templates, and forms in MasterCare Plus. These tools help standardize your documentation, save time, and improve consistency across your organization. Thanks for watching.